Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Trisha Pros and I hope you guys are having a nice day. Okay, in this video we are going to be opening some baseball trading cards. There's 20 of them. And just get on with the video. So I'm just going to open this with a knife. First off, we have Preston Tucker, Houston Astros. Right there, stats. Okay, and now we have Matt Wagner on the Mariners. We got Ted Wood, San Francisco Giants. Scott Randinsky, White Sox. Okay, here is Bob Welch, Athletic, at Oakland Athletics. Okay. We got Dave Henderson, Oakland A's again. Tony Guy, I don't know how to pronounce his name. San Diego Padres. Okay. And now we have Bob Scanlon from the Chicago Cubs. Chicago Cubs won a World Series. Okay, we have here. That's Bob's. Joe Jared, I don't know, people, Okay, he plays for the Chicago Cubs again. Juan Gonzalez plays for the Texas Rangers, or played for the Texas Rangers. Okay. We have Lance Nerico, San Francisco Giants. He played first base. Okay. We have Dave Henderson of the Boston Red Sox. Okay. Now we have Tim Belcher for the Tigers. Tom Lapkin, Padres catcher. Rafael Palmer. He played for the Orioles. Got Dean Palmer. He plays for Texas Rangers. Ellis Burks of Giants, the San Francisco. There's a lot of San Francisco Giants people in here. We have Fred McGriff, Blue Jays. Don August he played for the Brewers. Okay guys, that's all of my cards. That took a long time. This video's probably been annoying, but I just hope you guys enjoyed. I played with a knife. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with everybody you know. Do it. Do it. Well, okay, guys. Well, that's all for me here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.